All right. So the first thing is, we're going to basically list out all the things that we love, all the things that we're interested in, all the skills, and then you're going to pick one. And so, you just got to figure out what is it that I can do every day, that I could talk about every day, that I don't care if my friends are listening to me or seeing me doing or any of that stuff. Okay. And you shouldn't be thinking about that anyway. I know there's a lot of you that are saying to me, oh, I don't have the confidence to do the camera thing, or, putting myself out there publicly and things like that. Now, listen, I get, I can understand that feeling, but who cares, right? It's like it's your only thing that you're doing is good. Everything that you're doing is good. You're trying to help people, and so you should be like, proud of that. And, just like anything, it's just that comfort feel. It's not imposter syndrome. You're just uncomfortable. You feel uncomfortable being on camera. And so, but that's all right. That's okay. You can still do it, the video. Okay. You have to just always kind of think of who you're talking to. That's why it's so important to know your people. So what I want you to do is, list out something that you can actually talk about all the time. Okay. So you're going to be in one of these, categories here. You're either going to be in wealth, health, or happiness. And almost every time I say that, everybody's like, oh, well, I'm in both of them or all three. And I'm like, well, okay. Yes, all of these three things are important for it to work, but you're in one of these. Like, I'm in the wealth. I help people make money. If you help people get healthy, you're in that. If you help people get happy, you're in that. What I want you to understand is you need to pick one of these, because you're going to have to drill down and get hyper down on something, because we're just filling gaps. We're just finding little gaps in things. We're not building a new wagon. We're just making the other wagon better. Okay. We're filling in where things aren't filled in.